Hey, yo, what is up, guys? How are you guys doing? Yes, I'm filming another Beast on Simulator video. Let's play my hive. Yes, I'm filming the Beast on video today because I think we might be able to. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh, we're a little off. Well, looks like we gotta get Grandy. Oh, pineapple. That's not good. Oh god, my mouse is doing some weird things. Hope that is okay, don't worry about that. We will grind run and pine. And yeah, hopefully I get something. No. Oh god. Where did you actually come from? Excuse me. Okay, there we go. And yes. I've been quest hunting. Is that a thing? Quest hunting? Whatever, is that a thing or not? I've been doing that. Well, basically I've been trying to get some pine. While also getting all these done. And I have around there, I haven't done this. I could, don't want to. I think about half a bag is good. Okay, anyways, blue, nah. I'm not quite interested. I could do that like later, maybe later. Then we have clover. Clover, and then we have the ants. Okay, not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Yeah, I'm not gonna do Riley B. Okay, just got Riley B. We got these. Can I get a booster or anything? Fuzz, 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 maybe. Fuzz, fuzz. Give me that fuzz. Mmm, nice. I got the oh, a maxed Leveroni. That is why I love fuzz. I don't know how much is a million. If I like use this machine, not machine, but like, if I transfer a million, is that enough? Uh, I do not think so. No. That, yeah, that gave us a million. What was I expecting? Uh, la? That, that gave us a few thousand. Okay, okay. I want my 41 hive. It's the hive. Because, you know, and wow, oh, not too bad. But yeah, I just wanted to say is please subscribe. I don't normally do this, but please subscribe. I really want to make you guys some better content. Like, I want you guys to get good content to watch. And I can also get some more subscribers. Yeah, yeah. But still, I want you guys to get some good content. You know, like, not every. Okay, let's see. Not everything's about me. Like, you know, if you guys subscribe, you guys can get better content. And if you guys subscribe for better content, you know. Let's see what this is. Strawberries. I know. No, this one? I missed out on absolutely nothing. So, I lost some honey. I came here. I am here. I am grinding. Grind, grind, grind. Doesn't take very long. For like, I need 2 mil. 2 mil. Man, he's up there grinding stuff. Oh, he's done some magic damage or stuff. He has a honey mask. I could always think of getting a honey mask. Yeah, honey mask would sound nice. Actually, I just want a better, not a mask, but a better. What's it called? Helmet? I got pretty good guard. I got a pretty good the belt thing. All that I'm not complaining. I'm happy. All that stuff. I like it. Um, but my face hat thing, I need better. I need an upgrade. Like, I'm doing this for like, you know, for you guys content. Like, I can't have like really bad stuff, you know? I can't have like really bad helmet and I expect you guys to teach you guys everything, you know? And wow, I never realized how much these boosts are actually so good. Wow. Well, I know that looks like enough, so we will go down here and we will turn all that pollen into honey, and then we will get that other slot. Oh, I did not need that much. But hey, the more the better. So, yeah. This will take a while. And I am done. Okie dokie. I might break this sprout. And it's time to... Wait, what? I don't have enough! It's 27! I thought it was 23! I thought it was 23! Well, looks like I need to get that extra 1.5 mil. That's embarrassing. I think a million's enough. 1 million? Million? Colin? Colin? Yeah, Colin. Oh, a Elfid is dead. I don't need any of those, but I will take them for free. It is very laggy today. Maybe because, like, very late. Okay, 1 million. Is 1 million enough for 1 million? I don't know. Let's have a look. Wait, I need that little extra bit. Just that much. I don't know. Let's go have a look. Yeah, I'm just trying to make you guys interested. Yeah, I sound like a dumb. I sound very dumb. But yeah, you know, some people just do that. Hey, is this enough? Oh, wow. No, I don't do that. It's dumb. It's actually very dumb. It's really dumb. I don't like doing that. Yeah. Anyways, it's not enough. I don't think. There's no way this. Okay, that's fuck. This is gonna switch. Aha, that is what I call enough. Haha, my 41 bees left. I have here to clean. Bloop, bloop. Oh wow, I am rich, 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 rich. Okay, let's have a look at what eggs I can use because I am absolutely poor. Um, I want to use an egg that I might not want to use. I'm not using diamond. I'm saving that. Diamond egg. I am saving that. Let's just use a silver egg. Hey, that's not bad. But obviously, I expect better. So we start the grind for a good. Rage. Alright. I am probably the good. It only actually need. I might actually need. No, I have one grind and it's okay. But I really don't need it. So let's carry on. At 300, 100 left. Woo! What bee am I looking for? That's um I am looking for a a honeybee. I would love a gifted basic, but that's not gonna happen, so sure. I mean, I think would be nice, but I'm really just looking for a what bee was it? One second, was that I need? It's a red bee, not a fire bee. Oh, it's a Riley bee. I need more Riley bees. Okie dokie. Rascal. I don't need rascal bees. I don't need stubborn bees. I don't need this. I don't need a fire bee. Like, I actually do not need fire bees. I want a rascal bee. Okay, well, I guess I can start punching, killing these mushrooms. Oh, a rascal bee, nice. But I'm not gonna take this one. I will keep going. I melted it up. Fantastic. Aha! A demon bee. That looks like a bee I will settle on. Now I am poor. Ridiculously poor. And I have a low level bee. And I have a low level bee. And I have 400 leaves. So I will just start this bad boy. I really can't, like, let's feed you a neon berry. I think you need, yes. What? Come on, what's happening? Okay, 5, let's go. Okay, I got 6, I got 7, I got 8, level 8, and you like sugars. What about treats? I don't feel like feeding. If I can level you up, I would. But yeah, I don't think I can. Yeah. Treats, 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 treats. Level up. Huh. Interesting. Let's give you some sunflower seeds. Why not? Let's give you like. Oh, let's add E0. 0. Let's give you like 40. You don't deserve it. Don't feed. Ah, there it is. I will upgrade that puppy bee right now. Never mind. I will upgrade that puppy bee right now. I will upgrade this pup. No, I'm just kidding. But I really want to upgrade this puppy bee. And I don't have a lot of things to feed. As they say, the best way to learn how to level up is naturally level up. Is that what they say? I don't know. But yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I am very glad I got a 41 30. Now I gotta go grinding. Yeah, I gotta go grinding. Now, okay, I think we should do something before we go. I saw someone with a honey mask. How much I can afford everything, but honey, spent and 5 eggs. Huh. Interesting. Huh. Maybe I should have bought an egg, golden egg and bees. Yeah, maybe. Oh, let's have a look at this guy's score and let's see. I'm gonna break. Oh, he's not doing too bad. Not too bad. Not too shabby if I say so myself. Yeah, grind in there. Bees, get in and grind. Wait, why is this working? Why are bees actually going in there and grind? Wait, this isn't normal. Wait. Bees, help this man. He obviously needs some help. Because he's... Oh, no. Wow! 2 minutes! Yeah, he's a diamond, just like me. Let's have a look. He might get emerald. Because at this time it's much better than what I got. And I want to try it, but obviously I can't. Because... Monster 6 defeated! Let's go steal some loot. Yeah, my fastest time was a minute. Ah! This is a way of getting riches. Can I get to a million with this, hopefully? Yeah. Wait, is that... Wait, 10... Yeah, it's a million. Yeah, that's a million. And yeah, this is how I get all my bitter berries and neon berries and stuff. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this content, and we will see you. Just like you, 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 you. Next time. Bye.